Welcome to maths class. We have investment 12,000, interest at 4.5% and 4% for 1 year, and the total interest is 525. So what we have here, we have the interest of let's say 4.5 percent. So that's one investment. The other investment is interest of 4%. So that's the interest, that's the amount of money. So that means that's the total interest that we have. So what we need to do, we need to recalculate 4%, that's 0.045. The percent has to be in decimals, and 4.5%, then 4% is 0.04. So we have 0.045, but okay, let's just late, since we are solving for a non-late amount of either be x. So I just decided that amount invested at 4%, okay, is going to be x. So we don't know it. And then amount invested at 4.5% is going to be the 12,000 minus x. So we know that, okay, if we know one part, then the remaining part is the other part that we don't know. Alright, so we now have in terms of x both situations. So what we have to do, we use that equation there. Total interest is 55, and then 4.5% is 0.045. so the interest amount is the rate times the amount. So we have 0.045 multiplied by 12,000. 12,000 minus x here, plus, and then that's 0.4, alright, of x. So that's the amount. Okay, so now we have the total amount there, total interest 525. Then we're done interpreting the words into variable conditions. So multiply 0.045 multiplied by 12,000 gives us 540, and then 0.045 multiplied by x is 0.045x, and that stays as it is, 0.04x, and that is going to be 525, the total interest. So now with the like terms we add together, that will mean that we have, let's calculate the negative 0.045 plus 0.04 gives us 0.005x, and then we have the two terms there, 525 minus 540. So we're just gonna use a calculator there. I think it's 15, but let's just prove it. So x is going to be 525 minus 540 is negative 15, and then that means that divided by negative 0.005, that gives us negative 15 divided by negative 0.005, and that's going to be 3,000. So that's the amount that we have, and amount invested at 4%. Okay, so that is invested at 4%, that's 3,000. So it's common sense. The remaining amount, 9,000, which is 12,000, is going to give us 12,000 there, minus 3,000 to give us 3,000 to give us 9,000. So that's what we have as our answer. So that's the amount that was invested at 4.5%. So that's our answer. So you just have to determine one investment in terms of the other. That's how it goes. And please don't forget to follow or subscribe. Thank you.